Here's a detail that doesn't add up. The website selling Float Bump was reportedly registered in late July of 2026, and within about a week and a half, it was already displaying hundreds of glowing reviews and testimonials, describing months of regular use, while the product itself was still being sold as a pre-order. A store can't simultaneously be brand new, not yet shipped, and already broken in by long-term customers. And that contradiction is the clear signal something about the review count isn't what it appears to be. Float Bump is marketed as a rugged, durable pool float built for kids to use hard all summer, with the site drawing comparisons to the kind of marine-grade material used in boat fenders and dock bumpers, rather than the thin vinyl in a typical inflatable. The pitch centers on durability. Most cheap pool floats develop a slow leak or seam tear within weeks, and this one is positioned as the version that survives actual daily use. The site states a 30-day money-back guarantee and typically quotes 5 to 8 business days for processing plus another 5 to 8 business days for delivery. Separately, some marketing tied to this product name has also described a motorized joystick-steered version, which suggests either an expanded product line or some inconsistency in how the item is presented across different ads, worth clarifying directly with the seller before you buy, rather than assuming you know exactly what you're ordering. Whatever the exact version being sold, the review count versus domain age mismatch is the bigger issue. Since testimonials that couldn't plausibly reflect real usage history undermine confidence in every other claim on the page, I wouldn't call this a confirmed scam outright, since a product may still ship and arrive as described, but the fabricated-looking review pattern is a real red flag. If you order anyway, use a credit card rather than a debit card, screenshot the listing and guarantee language before checkout, and don't let an inflated review count be the reason you decide to buy.